Linear equations in one variable. Exercise 2.2 part 3. Two complementary angles differ by 12 degrees. Find the angles. Let the two angles be x and 90 minus x, because we know that sum of two, if the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then they are called complementary angles. So if one angle is x, the other angle will be 90 minus x. Therefore, complementary angles differ by 12. That's given in the question. Therefore, x minus 90 minus x is equal to 12. Therefore, x minus 90 plus x equal to 12 implies 2x minus 90 equal to 12. 2x equal to 90 plus 12, that is 102. 2x equal to 102. X equal to 51. Therefore, the two angles are x and 90 minus x. We know that x is 51. Therefore, 51, 90 minus 51. So, the two angles are 51 and 39. The ages of Rahul and Lakshmi are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? So, it is given that the present ages of Rahul and Lakshmi are in the ratio 5:7. Therefore, let us assume that the ages of Rahul and Lakshmi are 5x and 7x. So, this is Rahul and Lakshmi, present ages versus ages 4 years later. So, current ages of Rahul and Lakshmi are 5x and 7x. 4 years later, age of Rahul will be 5x plus 4 and age of Lakshmi will be 7x plus 4. So, but it is given in the question that after 4 years, sum of their ages will be 56 years. So, we'll take these two and we will add them. 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 56. Therefore, 12x plus 8 is 56. 12x is 48. X is 48 by 12, that is 4. So, the present ages of Rahul and Lakshmi are 5x and 7x. Therefore, 5 into 4 and 7 into 4, that is 20 and 28. 20 years and 28 years are the present ages of Rahul and Lakshmi. 13th question. There are 180 multiple choice questions in a test. A candidate gets 4 marks for every correct answer, and for every unattempted or wrongly answered question, 1 mark is deducted from the total score of correct answers. If a candidate scored 450 marks in the test, how many questions did he answer correctly? So we have to find the number of questions that he answered correctly. So first let us assume that the total number of correct answers be x. Then what will be the number of wrong answers? The total questions are 180. If the correct answers are x, then the wrong answers, number of wrong answers will be 180 minus x. Therefore, marks obtained for right answers is 4 into x, because 4 marks will be awarded for each correct answer and there are x correct answers. Therefore, 4 into x is 4x. 4x, and then marks deducted for wrong answers. 1 mark is deducted for each wrong answer and there are 180 minus x wrong answers. Therefore, 1 into 180 minus x will be 180 minus x. Therefore, total marks obtained will be marks obtained for right answers minus marks deducted for wrong answers. That is 4x minus 180 minus x. If we simplify this, 4x minus 180 plus x. That is 4x plus x is 5x minus 180. But given total score is 450. Therefore, let us equate these two. 5x minus 180 equal to 450. 5x equal to 450 plus 180. 5x equal to 630. X equal to 630 by 5. X equal to 126. So, the number of correct answers is 126. So, what is the number of wrong answers? 180 minus x. That is 180 minus 126. So, 54. So, what is the final answer? Number of correct answers is 126. A sum of 500 is in the form of denominations of 5 and 10. If the total number of notes is 90, then find the number of notes of each denomination. Let the number of 5 rupee notes be x. Then number of 10 rupee notes will be 90 minus x, because the total number of notes is 90. If 5 rupee notes are notes are x, then the number of 10 rupee notes will be 90 minus x. The total sum is 5 into x, because 5 rupee notes are 5 into x number of notes, 5x, plus 90 minus x into 10. 10 is the value of the note. So 5x plus 900 minus 10x. So 900 minus 5x. This is the total sum. But given the total sum is 500. So let us equate these two. 900 minus 5x equal to 500. 5x equal to 900 minus 500. 5x equal to 400. X equal to 400 by 5, that is x is 80. So we have assumed that the number of 5 rupee notes is x. That means number of 5 rupee notes equal to 80. So number of 10 rupee notes, 90 minus 80, 10. So number of 5 rupee notes is 80. Number of 10 rupee notes is 10. A person spent 564 in buying pens and pencils. If each cost of pen is 7, if cost of each pen is 7 and each pencil is 3, and the total number of things bought 108, how many of each type did he buy? Let the number of pens be x. So number of pencils will be 108 minus x, because total number of things bought equal to 108. Therefore cost of pens is 7 into x. 7 is the cost of each pen into x is the number of pens. So cost of pens is 7x. Cost of pens is 7x. Cost of pencils is 3 into 108 minus x. Okay, 3 into 108 minus x. That is 324 minus 3x. Total money spent equal to 7x plus 324 minus 3x. That is 4x plus 324. But given the total money spent is equal to 564. If we equate these two, 4x plus 324 equal to 564. 4x equal to 564 minus 324. 4x equal to 240. X equal to 240 by 4. X equal to 60. Therefore number of pens is 60. Number of pencils is 180 minus x. That is 180 minus 60. That equal to 48. Therefore number of pens is 60. Number of pencils will be 48. The perimeter of a school volleyball court is 177 feet and the length is twice the width. What are the dimensions of the volleyball court? It's given. Perimeter is 177 feet. Let us assume that the breadth is x feet. Then the length will be 2x, because length is twice the width. So perimeter of a rectangle. What's the perimeter of a rectangle? This is L and B. 2 into L plus B. So 177 is equal to 2 into 2x plus x. That is 2 into 3x is 177. 6x is 177. X is 177 by 6, that is 29.5. Therefore breadth is 29.5 feet and length is 2 into breadth. 2 into 29.5, that is 59 feet. Therefore length and breadth are 59 feet and 29.5 feet respectively. The sum of the page numbers on the facing pages of book is 373. What are the page numbers? If we open a book, two pages face each other. So the numbers will be x and x plus 1, because one number will be one more than the previous number, because those two are facing each other. So two numbers, they can be assumed page numbers will be x and x plus 1. Given sum of page numbers is 373. Therefore x plus 1 equal to 373. 2x plus 1 is 373. 2x is 373 minus 1 implies 2x is 372. X is 372 by 2. Therefore x is 186. So the page numbers are x and x plus 1. That is 186 and 186 plus 1. That is 186 and 187. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.